Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to discuss how you can download YouTube videos into your mobile, PC or laptop without installing any kind of application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open YouTube and search the video which you want to download. Then click on that video and click on the share button. After that, copy the link and move to the new tab and search Y2Mate. And then click on the first link you will see, and there after that you will see a box there in which you have to paste your copied link and click enter. After that you will see multiple options of different kind of qualities of that video. Just select your desired one which you want to download. Like here I am going for 720p resolution and click on that, and after that you will see another download now option. Just click on that and your downloading is just started. So wait a couple of seconds and your video will be downloaded and you are ready to go to use it anywhere you want, by making sure you are not violating any kind of copyright issues. So that's all for this video. And if you want to download the whole playlist, like if you find a course on YouTube about C++ and you want to download all in just one click, if you want, just let me know. Just let me know in the comment section and I will create a video for that. It is very simple. So that's all it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and comment down if you want one click playlist download. So bye bye, have a great decade.